Shin hoodie. This is Powerful Aux2Stress TV. Welcome back to my channel. Today it is 3-day vlogs episode number 5. It's March 10, 2019. It's a Sunday, and for today my partner and I are gonna visit one of those places where you can have internet access, a place to study or work while having a snack or coffee or something like that. And if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and give it a subscribe and leave a like if you like this content that we have right now. If you already have watched my previous vlog, you should be able to see already my new vlogging style, so go ahead and check that out. Leave your feedback in the comment sections down below. Alright, so malapit na po tayo sa ating destination. We are going to Think Big 101. Nakita ko lang actually siya nung kumuha ko ng laptop ko, and I was like, hey, this is a working space, like a working rest or something like that, and I want to give it a try, right? I want to see the experience, what the experience is, and I think it has a reasonable rate for a specific time that you can stay there. At may kasamang libreng snacks tsaka kape, so I guess that's pretty cool with the price. Alright, nandito na kami. It's co-working space, that's what they call it. Alright, so here's my decision making right now. I enjoy my stay at 101. Think Big 101. Na-enjoy ko naman yung lugar dyan. Pretty cool. It's got fast Wi-Fi, it's air conditioned, and what else do we got? Ayan po. So isasama ko kayo hanggang dito na lang kaya. So that's what it is. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed my 3-day vlog episode number 5. Thank you so much again for supporting my channel. Please leave a like and comment down below what your thoughts are about this video, and share it with your friends so they can watch it too. For now, adios. Damn, this road sucks, man.